Speak louder.
I'm here to system like a giant planet.
Okay, you name the planets.
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Oh, what is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
And the hottest planet?
It's Mercury.
And the coldest planet?
It's the ice.
What's that?
A cold ice.
What's that?
A cold ice.
What planet is this?
A cold ice.
Neptune.
Cold ice.
And what planet are we living in?
The Earth.
Very good.
That's who is in the Earth.
Yes, we're living in the earth.
Yeah. But, Mommy.